Hi, I'm trawler specialist Mark Pittman with Blue Water Cruising Boats, and today I'm in sunny New Jersey aboard Wahini's Bight, a 2005 Selene 40 Archer. Wahini's Bight is powered by a single John Deere. She has Naiad stabilizers, Northern Lights generator, and something that's very important for a lot of you, she's great loop capable. Follow along with me today as we go through Wahini's Bight, and I'll show you everything that she has to offer. Coming up starboard side of the pilot house, we're coming to the foredeck. Ground tackle is usually managed from here, which consists of 300 feet of 3/8 galvanized chain, a Rockna anchor, stainless steel Samson post, and a Cougar windlass. We have storage lockers from port and starboard of the anchor locker. Very high stainless steel rails. It's very secure here. You can see the hatch for the V-berth is stainless steel trimmed, so that's a wonderful addition. Another thing you'll notice too about the Selene 40 is the forward raking windshields, which really help manage glare when cruising both daytime and at night as well, keeping those electronic screens from reflecting. Lots of great places up here, great storage, great place to throw out a chair and enjoy a day of cruising, or come out here and manage your anchor after a long day of cruising. Moving aft along the starboard side decks, again, we got these high safety rails to really keep us in. It's a rough day here in New Jersey, and they are coming in at a tremendous advantage, keeping us all inside the boat today. You've got these sliding doors that do seal up. They are weather tight. Latches here for the doors, a boarding gate here, teak cap rails. They're all beautiful. Sliding windows, open and port light here as well. The non-skid is fantastic on this boat. It really helps you grip, feel very safe when traversing during rough times. And here we are to the aft cockpit. So here we are in the aft cockpit. We have a wonderful bench seat that does have storage underneath it. There is a hot and cold cockpit shower here. Steps that go up to the boat deck. Current owners have set up a really neat davit system for the dinghy, which really makes launching and loading of the dinghy very, very simple, as opposed to utilizing the original design mast and boom. This just makes everything a lot easier. Swim platform with a integrated swim ladder, boarding gate here. This is an opening hatch to the master stateroom. Again, a small package, but it feels like a much larger boat. There's lots of room here. I feel very secure, and it's a rough day here in New Jersey. Lots of boat traffic, and we're cruising right along. Now, coming up from the boat deck, we come to the flybridge. Now, with a flybridge with such an excellent layout as this one, this is undoubtedly where one will be spending most of their time cruising. You have a beautiful L-shaped settee with a nice settee table. You have something really interesting that you don't get to see on most trawlers is going to be a double captain's chair. So you sit up here cruising with your sweetheart, sweet man, whoever you have with you. Makes for a great day on the water. Stainless steel destroyer helm wheel. You've got your hydraulic engine controls, Ray Marine chart plotters, John Deere engine controls, windlass controls, bow and stern thruster controls, and a Ritchie compass. Lots of great features up here, made for wonderful and comfortable cruising days on the Selene 40. Coming into the salon from the port side, we have a beautiful handcrafted settee table with an L-shaped settee, also with white ultra leather upholstery. Lots of storage, overhead LED lighting, teak and holly floors. Moving forward to the lower helm, a very impressive array of navigational equipment, side power, bow and stern thruster controls, Naiad stabilizer controls, Northern Lights generator controls, hydraulic engine controls, John Deere main engine controls, the Selene mimic pedal panel, which basically shows you what lights are running and also what pumps are running on the boat. Really nice place to run the boat from the lower helm with no sacrifices whatsoever to your visibility. We have lots of visibility up here. Starboard side sliding door allows for ease of docking, even when solo at times. Moving over from the lower helm to the galley, we have Corian countertops. We have a Force 10 3-burner propane gas oven and stove, propane control systems, overhead cabinetry below, stainless steel double basin sink, Tundra refrigeration, and a nice little wine glass holder. Moving forward from the salon, we enter the V berth. Now, this is where your guests are traditionally going to be staying wherever they're cruising with you. There's a very nice opening hatch above that is screened. Port lights that open as well, port and starboard. A beautiful cedar-lined hanging closet to starboard. Air conditioning controls, privacy curtains. Here is the guest head. It is a wet head. There's a teat grate down below. Tecna freshwater head, stainless steel shower, single basin sink, medicine cabinet, and opening port light. Just a really comfortable spot for your guests to bring along with you when you're doing some cruising. Moving aft from the salon is the master stateroom. Now, one thing about Selene that everybody notices right off the bat is the beautiful carpentry that they have. Howard Chin, master yacht designer, really took some time and built in some excellent storage opportunities throughout this boat, including these closets, which this one is the cedar closet. Below is the Splendid washer and dryer combo. You've got the queen size bed with the foam mattress below with lots of storage as well, which also houses the water tanks. To port side here, you have the master head. Now, this side of the head features the Tecna freshwater toilet, single basin sink, LED lighting, and the opening port light. Over here to starboard is going to be the master shower. So it's a walk-in shower, stainless steel hanging rod, opening port light, teak grate. But then also something unique about this head here, the stand-up shower, is it also provides access to the engine room through the watertight door and down a couple of steps. Coming down from the starboard side shower, we have the engine room. Now, the engine here is a John Deere 6.8 liter, which has 267 horsepower. The boat also has a Northern Lights 8 kW generator, which is behind you there. Naiad stabilizers, a Raritan hot water heater. We have a Reverso oil change system, fuel filtration over here, fuel management system, Naiad hydraulic reservoir and pump. A lot of really great features. One thing about the Selene 40 is the size of the engine room. Now, if you start comparing other vessels like the Katie Krogan 39, Nordhaven 40, Nordic Tug 42, the engine rooms are nice on all of those boats. However, I will say on the Selene 40, it's quite large. It's a little bit bigger than those other ones, at least as far as overall height goes, for sure. I'm 6'1". If I'm standing in the bilge sump, I have to only crane my head just a little bit. So for anybody here who's doing a little bit of engine work or engine room checks, they're certainly not crammed by any means. It's a great space to get work done here on the Selene 40. We've had a great day today cruising aboard Wahini's Bight in New Jersey. If you would like more information, please visit our website at www.bluewatercruisingboats.com. Or you may reach out to me directly via my cell phone, email, or my Instagram, which that information will be provided in the description below. I look forward from hearing from you, and I hope you enjoyed this video.